Example 7. Facility definitions. In the previous video, we had defined the problem for this example and discussed which constraints would be modeled in the problem. Let's first take a look at the task list. Depending on the facility's layout in the task list,
30 machine group.
let's examine the operations to be carried out with this. Here, F reference number 1, reference number 01 in the line, exceeding a weight of 15 kilograms, operations to be done on the 30 punch 00 machine are marked in green. Similarly, it will be done in the 30 bank 00 machine group. Materials lighter than 15 kilograms, rows for operations are marked in yellow. These colors will also be used in the Gantt chart. At the same time, the T customer code column has been used for the customer satisfaction constraint. Data for tasks belonging to company A has been entered in this variable. The number 6 tasks belong to company A, and N here, it will be carried out in the 4000 machine group belonging to a company. Operations are shown in brown to indicate that operation number 6.2 does not comply. Similarly, in the Gantt chart as well, as this task will be indicated in brown. After reviewing the job list, let's move on to the factory goods. Here again, a simple facility defined by rules that can be scheduled. We can start. This facility was previously completed.
It's enough for us to use.
Now, definitions of integration, machine definitions, and all the definitions in the internal and source connection list. You have the minimum level that can be done. Here,
What matters?
it is the modeling of our constraints. For this, it is through the list of job and resource connections. These connections,
Let's move on to the application, where it will be defined.
with the help of the new button, a new document is obtained. First, let us enter a description for the meaningful document. Then, let's define one of our rules with the add button. Here, in the part about the rules between tasks, in the task list, first, let's establish our criteria with the help of the machine definition and the data online reference number 1. For our first criterion, teleworkstation,
3500 is selected.
then at 30 o'clock processed. Work kilogram limit is set. For this, we used 0.1 of Ephrata's milk. In Carifer, tasks processed in the machine group 3500, weighing more than 15 kilograms on the source list. Which resource to be processed on? It is necessary to specify. Here, resource selects the machine where the machine labor code will be deployed. For us,
Is this a machine?
30 punches.
It's a 0 to 2 machine.
Hussein, it is a constant, unchanging value. After setting these rules, let's make a clarification.
Story is limited.
After entering the limitation, let's enter another one for customer satisfaction. Let's do the same for Burak as well. First, the criteria must be determined. Our first criterion is the teleworkstation for 40 years. The value in our criterion is 40 up count.
0 machine
We are
professional.
lucky.
Subsequently, the decisive variable appears to be TV customer name. The value of this variable is
Heavy company.
words,
Followed
The
by
same
a
as-
tilde.
where the work will be done. You need to choose your machine. Our resource
Is 40 press brakes.
Is a machine. Similarly, the fixed view is valuable.
Let's also include an explanation for the rule. Similarly, an entry can be made from here. Customer constraint. Subsequently,
These values are
we
logged.
continue. Then the facility is added. After the document for the facility is recorded, the scheduling phase is initiated.